Generally incredibly reliable and robust, hardy geraniums are probably the most sought after group of plants. And that's because it's a big group. They're quite diverse. They come in all shapes and sizes, from little tiddlers that are great for alpine gardens to ones that get over 1 metre or more. And they're really ideal for filling big areas fast. One thing they all share is this divided foliage. Some are more divided than others, and occasionally it can look almost quite lacy. And that's pretty throughout the season from spring till the autumn when they die back. And the flowers, as you can see, they come in a range of colours from white, pinks, magentas, blues, purples, and virtually every shade in between. When I say reliable, they'll grow in most soils. One thing they do like is reliable moisture in summer. And they tend to be quite mounding, although some will sort of spread, have lankier stems and spread amongst their neighbours. And I think that's really attractive in a herbaceous border, the way they intermingle with other plants. They tend to spread by underground rhizomes, and they're perfect then for division. Once they've become an established clump, then you can lift them when they're dormant. So from autumn, late autumn to early spring, lift them, chop them in half, making sure each section's got a good amount of root, and then just plant them back in the border. And apart from that, they're pretty low maintenance. Some of the early flowering ones, the foliage might start to look a little lackluster after the flowers have faded, and these make ideal candidates for the Chelsea chop. However, I would do it post-Chelsea, say a couple of weeks after Chelsea, and then cut them back hard. It looks really drastic at first, but within a few weeks you're going to get another fresh batch of foliage which will look really pretty and carry on looking pretty until the autumn.